about supporting the people that support us, especially having someone like Moses who's been around the club for a long, long time to come back to the club over the last couple of years and really support the boys in what we're trying to do. It's massive. I want to thank everyone that comes out, whether they're sponsors, whether they're just local residents, whether they're members of the club who come out and support us. Without them, there's no us. It's massive. We are really a community-based club. We really like to engage with community partners, and with our club members, we try and drive that relationship with them as well. Yeah, my name is Ben Parkin and I'm the chairman of Moreton Bay United.